Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to view your activity on X, formerly Twitter. So first of all, you should know that there is no option like straight option like Instagram for this, but I will show you what you can do and what you can exactly see. So to see your activity, like your replies, the likes or the tweets that you have liked or some things like that, you should just go to your profile. And as you can see, you can find your replies here. You can find also the likes that you gave to posts. And of course, for the likes, they are private, so only you can see them on your profile. And like, that's the most important things that you can see from the app. You can see your bookmarks also. If you have some bookmarks, you can just click on your picture and after that go to bookmarks and you will find your bookmarks here. But if you want more informations, you can download them by clicking on your picture and after that going to settings and privacy, and after that go to my account. And after that, go and click on download an archive of your data, and it will take you to download the archive of your data. And there you can find more informations about your activity on X app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.